Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a Firebase project and enabling storage so you have a bucket and region chosen. Once done, install Firebase at 9 in your React app and paste the web config into a new src/Firebase JS file. Initialize the app with initialize app, config, and call get storage app to export a storage instance you can reuse. You do this early to avoid repeating setup. It gives you a single source of truth and a ready storage reference for uploads and downloads. You wire a file input to a handler that reads event. Target file 0 so you have a file object to upload. Next, create a storage reference like ref storage upload $file. Name and call upload bytes resumable, ref file content type, file, type so you can track progress and resume. While uploading, subscribe to state change to update % and catch errors. When the task completes, call get download URL. Ref, to obtain a public URL, you can save to. You finish by displaying the return download URL in an img or anchor so users see their file immediately. Revoke object URLs when using create object URL to avoid leaks. Make sure storage rules reflect your security needs, require request. Auth equals null for private content or allow public reads carefully. Also validate file size and type in the client to prevent wasted uploads. If uploads fail, check console error codes and rule simulator. Most issues are permission or CORS related, so verify rules and bucket CORS settings first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.